by Béis, and it's really functional. I'm gonna get into those details in just a little bit, but first I was so in love with this pink color that I just had to get it in pink, even though black might be more practical for putting it under the airport seat and stuff like that. But I love the vegan leather accents on the straps and on the bottom and stuff. On the side pockets, they're also vegan leather, and even the zippers and the zipper pulls, I guess, are vegan leather. It unzips and zips very easily, which I love. If you want to turn around and look at the straps, they're also canvas and they're padded. They adjust to fit your size, and it has the trolley strap, so you can easily set it on top of your suitcase or your roller bag or whatever. And the front pocket is very spacious. I have some purses that I would just put my purse in here. On this trip, I actually just sort of packed whatever I thought I might need access to on the flight. It has a lanyard for your keys, so you can easily find them when you need them. It also has these pen pockets, and then it had this pocket here that you can fit some different stuff. I have my charger and some earbuds and stuff. But this is a nail file, so just to show you how deep that pocket actually goes, it's pretty significant. And so I love how it's so organized for me. Like, you know exactly where your pens are and everything when you need them, when you're coming off a long haul flight or whatever, you know where your keys are. And so this is so handy, and I really enjoyed using it. The laptop bag, not looking at the zipper, you can see my laptop is in here, and there's still so much space. I have my password book and a document, and I have like I think it's a 13-inch MacBook Pro, so you can see how everything just fit really perfectly, and I'll definitely be using this on my next trip, and I might even be using it instead of a roller bag because it is so spacious and you have such easy access to everything. So the zipper pulls are not vegan leather. I made a mistake when I said that. They're actually a little bit extra wide for comfort, and they're either, I think they're metal, but they're painted pink, so I love how they just match everything. I meant to tell you also that they were a double zipper, and it's really easy to do. I really just love how simple this bag is to use. All right, so before I actually open it up and show you how it lays flat and everything, I wanted to highlight, I think from this angle you can see that this is the vegan leather here, and it also goes all the way on the bottom, so it's really durable. And then these side pockets are also the vegan leather, and the top handle as well. So you can see how easy it just opens up, and you have full access to everything inside of the bag, and the cross straps to keep everything in place, liquid pouch, and 2 other pouches inside. It has a lot of capacity. I have a pair of shoes in here, my packing cube, a skirt, my wires and cables, and then some dirty clothes in there. So I really enjoyed using this, and it was so much easier than a typical backpack since it opens up to full access. I also forgot to mention that it fits this big toiletries bag that has like a brush and face wipes and makeup and all that kind of stuff in here. So with this inside, it even had space for more that could fit. There's plenty of space in this bag. So when I want to go on a longer trip, I could still use this as a carry-on instead of taking a suitcase too. I never thought I was that girl that could travel with just one bag, especially a backpack. So this is expanding my horizons. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and look for the links below.